To the ones who left the love from afar, salamat, we see you. Hi, I'm Daddy Ray, Life and Wealth Advisor, husband, and proud tatay. And today, this message is for every parent, spouse, or child working abroad. Leaving home is not easy, while others see only the money you send. We know the tears, the birthdays missed, the hugs you can't give. Every remittance is not just kwarta. It's love, sacrifice, and hope. It's tuition fees, hospital bills, groceries, o gagmay nga kalipay para sa pamilya. And sometimes you feel unseen. But let me tell you this, we see you. We honor your courage, and we believe your sacrifice deserves to be protected so that ang imong gibuild nga future dili mawala sa usa ka emergency. So, to all OFWs and their families, salamat sa inyong gugma ug sakripisyo. If you want your hard work to truly secure your families tomorrow, message me. Let's make a plan together. This is Daddy Ray, reminding you to protect your peace, your plan, and your people, empowering the future one family at a time.